Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we will see how to find out the trigonometric values using left hand. Okay. So suppose we have this is your left hand, and now here from this left hand I want to calculate sine of suppose 30 degree. Okay. So what is sine 30 degree? For sine 30 degree, this is the finger. Okay. So how many fingers are remaining on your left hand side? So there is only one finger remaining, right? So only one. So one square root of 1 is 1, and divide it by 2. Every time divide it by 2 for sine and cos. So answer is what? 1 by 2. Suppose I want to calculate cos of 30 degree, then you have to calculate then this is the cos 30, this is 30 degree finger, right? So how many fingers are remaining on the your left hand side? So 1, 2, 3. So this way for cos and this way for sine. So how many fingers? 3 fingers. So what is the square root of 3? Root 3. So it divide by 2. So every time divide it by 2. Now again suppose I want to calculate sine of 60 degree. Sine of 60 degree. So this is the 60 degree finger. Now how many fingers are remaining on the your left hand side? 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 fingers. So square root of 3 divided by 2. Okay. So there are 3 fingers are remaining. So square root of 3 divided by 2 is the answer. You can calculate this by using formula. Suppose I want to calculate sine 30 degree. Okay, so sine 30 degree, how many fingers are remaining here? 1. Divide this number by 4. So how much it will be? 1 by 4. So take the square root of this number. So 1 square root is 1, 4 square root is 2. Similarly 30 degree, right? The sine of 45 degree. Suppose I want to calculate sine 45 degree. So this is the finger. So how many fingers are here? 2. Right, so it divide by 4, 2 by 4 you will get, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So what is the answer? 1 by 2, right? But take the square root of this number. So 1 square root is 1 and 2 square root is root 2. Okay, similarly we can also find like this. Suppose I want to calculate cos of 60 degree. Okay, so cos 60 degree, this is the finger. How many fingers are remaining here? Only 1 on this side. So 1 divided by 4. So what is the square root of 1? Square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 4 is 2. So cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. So this is the way to calculate your sine and cosine values. So similarly we can calculate tan and cot also. So what is tan? Suppose tan 45 degree. Okay, tan 45 degree. So this is the finger tan 45 degree. How many fingers are remaining here in this side? 2 fingers. And how many fingers are remaining on this side? 2, right? So 2 divided by this finger divided by this finger. So what is 2 by 2? Which is 1. And take the square root of this. So what you will get here? 1. Okay. Now similarly, if I want to calculate, this is tan of 60 degree. Okay, tan 60 degree. So this is the finger 60 degree. How many fingers are remaining on the left hand side? 1, 2, 3. Right? So 3 fingers on the left hand side and only 1 finger on the right hand side. Of 3, root 3. What is square root of 1? 1. So tan 60 degree is 1. So similarly also we can calculate cot of, suppose cot of 30 degree. So this is the 30 degree finger. So for cot, we have to calculate how many fingers are remaining on this side, divide it by on the this side. So 30 degrees this, how many fingers are here on the right hand side? 3 fingers. How many fingers are remaining in this side? 1, right? So 3 by 1. So take the square root. So root 3 by 1. Okay, so see how to calculate the sine angle, whether the angle has plus sign or minus sign. Okay, so this is your diagram. So this is your first quadrant. Okay, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. Okay, so remember, in first quadrant all trigonometric values are positive. In the second quadrant only sine and cosec are positive. Okay, so in the third quadrant you will get only tan and cot are positive. Okay, only tan and cot are positive. On the fourth quadrant you will see that only cos and sec theta are positive. So in the first quadrant all are positive. In the second quadrant sine and cosec are positive. Then on the third tan and cot are positive, and here cos and sec are positive. Remember like this, all silver tea cup, all STC. Okay, now we will see how to calculate the angle. So suppose I want to calculate what is the sine of 235 degree. What is the sine of 235 degree? So 235, where it lies to 235? Between 180 and 270. Okay, so between 180 and 270 you have a 235, and this is the sine, right? So sine for this sine 235 is only tan and cot are positive, so this will be minus. Okay, so this will be negative. In this third quadrant we have a negative sign, only tan and cot are positive. So sine 235 degrees negative sign. Now suppose I want to calculate cos of 320 degree. Okay, so cos of 320 degree, this is 0, this is 270, then this will be 360. So cos 320, so where 320 lies? It will be lies in the fourth quadrant. So cos in this quadrant is what? Positive. So whatever the answer you will get, answer is positive. Okay, so similarly if I want to calculate, suppose tan of 135 degree, tan of 135 degree. So what is the sign for tan 135 degree? 135 lies in the second quadrant, but second quadrant contains only sine and cosec are positive. So the sign for tan 135 degree is what? Negative. Only sine and cosec are positive. Suppose I want to calculate sec of 175 degree. Sec of 175 degree. So where it lies? 175 degree in 90 and between 190 and 180. So here sec is what? Sec is negative. Only sine and cosec are positive. So you will get here negative sign for sec 175 degree. Okay. So similarly, if I want to calculate, suppose we want to calculate here cot of 3. Suppose we want to calculate cot of 355 degree. So 355 lies in this. So in this quadrant, what are the positive? Only cos and sec. So it will be now negative because we have a cot. So it will be negative. Okay. So this is the trick to solve any problems from the trigonometry. So remember this trigonometric ratio and trigonometric values and sign for trigonometry in angles. So if you like this video, then please subscribe, share and comment on video.